Evening, my people. Happy weekend. Hero family, we are back again, Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for promoting our videos. Those that are watching our video, we say big. Please, if today is your first day of watching me, please don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to put comments at the comment button, okay? We love you all. Today we want to talk about our men and our women. Some of our men and our women that is looking for who we hook them up. So, if person not hook una up, una no go hook una self. Like one boy will do one video. He say if your brother not fit help you, so you not fit help yourself. If your auntie not fit help you, not fit help yourself. If person not hook una no go fit marry by una self. Una no fit look for life partner by una self. Una don't turn to a cripple when una no fit waka. Una be deaf when una no dey know wetin dey happen dey here. So if another person not hook you up, you cannot look for your life partner. Wetin come be all these ones? The worst part sef not be even the hooking. They go hook una up finish, tomorrow the matter go come out. No longer they do hook up for. No only Nigeria people they do hook up for. Not be only Nigeria they do hook up. Every country they do hook up, but no only Nigeria how they backfire. So na not go use una brain. Now go they find who they want hook una up. If they don't hook una up, one way story go come, because story not they drive our mouth. We be storyteller. Africa, mostly Nigeria, Ghana. Now we them make story for story. We know they tire for story. So now don't live life for this Europe. Some of una, some of our men, some of our women. And so we don't live the life we say we not fit find our life partner by ourselves. Now person go hook us up before we go know say we won't marry. You see the life where they talk every time. Anything when Nigeria put body, jaga, scatter every day. Every country they do hook up, they know they hear their own. Now Nigeria, now there you go tell hear what you never hear. You go come by now they work. You don't know before you go ahead. What una they rush for? The time when I go rush do marry, una no go marry. Now one I don't old. Now one they find they do. Now come fall in the victim. We know say marry na good thing. No woman will not wish to marry, except that woman don't know what he need. But we Nigeria, we too they rush for our thing. We too they rush, and our bad mind. Now make anything where they do, anything where most of us they do, you know they work because of heaviness, jealousy, imitation. We like our way, competition. We like them. Those things when I call so we like them for our country. Competition. Now they make us, some of us with the end in a way where like say you go come end up story. Your friend don't marry, so you won't marry. Everybody gets his time. Everybody gets his time. Now so this life be. And the worst part sef, young boys stay wanna go hook up with to start life with. No, people husband. Now people husband, they say na that one he don't mature for brain. Una go they scatter people home. How God want to bless the home when una say una they rush they go say una want do marriage. Because una do marriage, they don't bless her. How blessing go take follow that kind of marriage? One I don't put another woman for tears. All the name of marriage. All the name of marriage, you don't scatter people relation. relationship wey don build, you see as the life be, you see am. See as to find husband, see as e dey hard for una for Europe here. No only una na dey hard for, only Nigeria, mostly Ghana. So na restaurant dey wey una go cook, when una go there, una go see men, boys, una go see boys wey ready, even though say not ready, dey there, dey with am, study am. Una no want, una wan just jump enter. Even calculate am sef, most of us wey don friend men before we marry. The men, you see as the thing dey, the problem dey dey. How much man who you no know before you wan just conclude say na marriage? Abi una think say marriage na rice and beans? Abi una think say marriage na my? If marriage na my or rice and beans, you no go dey see single mother everywhere. You no go see women wey don marry, they don divorce. You no go see single father. And this issue of single mother, see, make I tell una, not be only man, not be only woman dey be single. Man sef dey single, e get pikin. So una leave single women for waste. When their time come, they go marry. No hurry in life. Everything get time. Everything get time. Those of them wey ready to marry, they know wetin they need. When the time reach, their husband dey come for them. Una no dey rush. Too much of rush dey cause another thing for una. Every day. This week now. Next week you go hear another matter again. Story na im dey make for Nigeria people, Ghana people. Story. They no dey tire for story. Only them. Anything where they put hand, jaga. Other country go do am, they go clean nyash enter house. Nigeria go problem. Ghana go problem. Why? Must everybody know about weed in Nigeria? Must everybody know about weed? How many una dey know for the rest countries? How many people na dey know their issue? Yes, e no go reach 50, but Nigeria own pass 1 million. Every day, the foolishness, the worst. Why? Why Nigeria? Why Ghana? I beg our young boys dey. Una dey hook up with them. Una no dey wait say person go hook una up before una go. Una go find una life partner by yourself. Study the man wey you wan marry. Life don pass those days wey be like say our mama dem they go just carry them for small pikin go put for marriage. Nowadays no be like that again. Go and look for your life partner yourself. Study the man. The man say go study you to avoid story. Every day they go teach you sense. Every day. E no get where easy. Dey there. Okay, if to say media not dey to dey carry your matter dey go. So where una for the carry una issue dey go? Una for not the day marriage house. Some self matter wey never reach anything. Na media you take hear am. Before you see, they don't put you with your husband and your children picture, which is very bad. That thing e dey break home. Those thing e dey make woman no dey marriage house. Because you as a woman, your past relationship, you don't kind of come outside for media. Nobody go like to deal with that kind of woman, because they self they fear. Because nobody is perfect for life. Anybody can make mistake in a life. They fear say maybe the day when they go see fuck up, now so you see carry their matter come aside. So everybody is scared of that kind of woman. Everybody's afraid of that kind of lady. Muna calm down. Muna calm. Our place they make parable. They say oku gidi gidi anwite. They say fire where they when that is una know what I thought. Those of us who don't use firewood for village in those days. If you too pack firewood put for food, you know they done the food small. Una calm. Wait una dey fine. Some go come. I come because of my family. Oh, I come also because of my family. I get family. Nobody say Mona not take care of my family. Now this thing they cost many people. Well, at the end, now they go to find man. Now they go to beg man, marry me, please. Now they go buy ring. Now they go do marriage. Because why? The time when you supposed to settle down, when you see they fresh, when everybody they rush you, you don't need them. You they do shakara. When you don't see say in a year, maybe like, people where they come your way not many. That time you go come. Now that time you go come no say time don't they pass. Everybody know say woman get time when they pass. I beg my people, no would they use our wisdom. This wisdom, they know they buy am for market. E dey with everybody. Use am, make use of am. Make use of am. If they make use of our wisdom, some kind things where they happen, if or not they happen. I dey see some marriage people, they go do problem. Later everything go dey okay. Because why? They never understand themselves. Later, if they don't understand themselves, all those things are past tense. You know me saying anything where don't happen for your family, anything where happen for your life, you go carry come out for media. Who you own better? Everybody gets now wisdom. Now you come Europe, now come just take Europe to turn for another thing. So now no dey shame say if people where dey home, people wanna live for home, una family they hear all this kind foolish life where some of us they live. Una no dey shame. So una don't lost una shame because some of us we don't come Europe, we don't lost our sense, we don't lost our shame. We don't know what they call shame again. Later they go say small pikin not dey Europe, and most of them they behave like small pikin. Big one no go hear, small one no go hear. Which kind life be all these ones? Now there you go see man, if you want to talk to woman, the kind name way go bring come outside self, you go dey vex. No sabi address word, you no sabi talk. Man and woman na so, they no sabi talk. To address word, they no sabi. They poto pata, anything where just come out for mouth, you go just throw one for ground. Men they find woman where go respect them. They know they find woman where want turn to a lion for the house or tiger. Most of the men they fear their head mostly for this Europe where we come. They no want go take money marry woman where go put them for problem. Because not be problem they carry come. Muna calm down. Muna bring una mind calm down. Wait una dey rush, no hurry life. Your husband they come for you. No dey rush, no dey the spirit of something. Too much of that spirit, they cause us, they land us for another direction. May we think well before we go do something. Na so life be. Marriage not be waiting you just get up today na marriage. You go study person where you get. I know say me na small pikin who be me to talk to people where don't see me. But life na sense. Study person where you won't live with. Because me una no dey think say na as una take stay una own, the man dey your own different, the woman dey your own. Na so if una don marry, na so everybody go dey your own. That one no be marriage. If you wan know marriage, if you wan know wetin dey inside marriage, that boyfriend or girlfriend wey una dey date, una go dey one place, this one go say my, that one no be wife. Una come stay together for one house 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 1 year, make una look una sef. No be say one go dey Sokoto, one go dey Taraba, one go dey Jalingo. And most of our women, make we dey get sense for anything wey we dey do. Una no dey think say the time una dey single, wey una dey chop here than here, na the same thing with if una don settle down. No be the same thing. So anything wey you wan do, make you dey know the thing wey you wan put yourself, where you wan involve yourself. No be say tomorrow you go say the man deceive you. How many dey deceive? Na everybody na the men dey deceive. Who come dey deceive the men dem? Who dey go say na him dey deceive the men dem? Women go say he deceive me, deceive me. Some dey go know the truth, they no go talk. Like this woman of 18 where they say he husband cucumber no dey work. You go say you no know say the cucumber no dey work before you carry on for the marriage. When you send money go Nigeria, go dey do marriage, una dey hotel. So you no test the cucumber. Today now you wan come outside, make you come dey do for social media. Abeg, make we dey limit our foolishness, because e don too much for us. E don too much for us. Healthy woman like you get paper, you are a working class lady. Must everybody know about your life? Must everybody know about you? Because you choose it to be so. That is why it is so for you. If na children dey do all this one, we go say yes na. What of the adult the way they do this? Wetin we go say na e be? Abeg, make we dey use our sense. Abeg, e don do for us. Hook up. If una not ready for marriage, una rest. Una no dey deceive una sef. You hear? And one thing when I go tell una, na God dey bring husband. Woman be, I never see woman be where they give husband. Na God na dey give husband. Na this one I get for today topic o. Abeg, no be only we dey do hook up for. The rest country dey do, we no dey hear their noise. If you no go marry the man, no be say na to bring her come out for social media. Una go dey disgrace una sef dey go. Who no reach to talk to you go talk to you. Who reach to talk to you go talk to you. All those ones, and na wetin they go call am small pikin issue. Make we dey use our sense in anything wey we dey do. Make we apply wisdom. Make we dey apply wisdom. Abeg, e don do for us. This talk, e don do for us. Make we dey use wisdom. Our youngest, muna go for the young boys dem. Most of the young boys they never marry. Muna no dey wait say they go hook una up before una go hook with somebody. You hear? Una not blind. Una never old wey be like say man go fit reject una. But if una go road work, una dey see who dey carry una. But a rich husband, they no dey feel, una no dey see. Na person dey hook una up for the road work. Where you dey waka dey go, where you dey see man, where you dey carry. You no fit go there where you go see man where you go dey with. Na this thing I make me talk am. Those one wey never ready, make dem no dey put sansa for people garri. Thanks for watching our video. Thanks for subscribing. Please, if today is your first day of watching me, I repeat again, please don't forget to subscribe. Love you all. Remain blessed.